Hey guys, let's solve some fun farm animal puzzles today. Are you ready? Let's see our first animal. It's a cow. Oops, what happened? Where did the cow go? All the cow parts are flowing around. Let's find their right places. Starting with the head? No, that doesn't go there. Yay! That's it! Next is the body. Oopsie! Try again. Perfect match. Now the legs? Let's try again. That piece fits just right. Now the tail. Way to go, Puzzle Pro. The last piece. Whoopsie moo. Try a new place. Great job, farm friend. The cow is ready. Let's see what animal is up next. It's a pig. What happened? Where did the pig go? Do you see? All the pig parts are floating around. Do you want to help find their right places? Great. Let's start with the head. Let's give it another go. That's where it belongs. Next are the legs. Ooh, not there. That looks just right. Now the body. Can you help me find its right spot? High five! You got it right. Where should we put this piece? Nice work, Smarty. Now the last and smallest piece. Click! It fits like magic! The pig is ready! Let's see the next animal. It's a sheep! Oops! Where did the sheep go? All the puzzle pieces are in the wrong places. Let's fix this. Starting with the body. Let's find its place. Yes, that's where it goes. Now let's find the place for the legs. Fantastic! Now let's find where the head goes. You're so good at this! Let's find where the last piece goes. It's easy! That sheep is so happy now. Can you guess the next animal? It's a goat! Do you know how does the goat say? Oopsie, the goat disappeared. All pieces are floating around. Where does the body go? Click, it fits like magic. Next are the legs. Try again. High five. Now the head is searching for its place. That looks just right. Now the legs. Try somewhere else, friend. Great. There is only one spot left. Where does the tail go? Perfect match. Yay. Good job. The goat is ready. Next is the horse. No, not again. The horse is gone. All the pieces are floating around. Can you help me find where all the pieces fit? No, this is not the right place for the head. Yay! That's more like it. It's time to find the spot for the body. Good job, you are getting the hang of it. Now the neck. No, try again. High five. Next is the leg. Try a different spot. Marvelous job. Next are the hind legs. Whoops! Way to go, Puzzle Pro. It's turn for the fourth leg. Very good. You are becoming a puzzle master. Last is the tail. You got it. The horse is done. Can you guess the next animal? You are right. It's a donkey. Not again. The donkey is gone. Let's find the right places for all the pieces. Good job! Next is the body. Not the right spot. Yay! That is the one. Oopsie, wrong spot for the head. Good job, that is the right spot. No, the leg doesn't go there. Yes, that's it. Now the neck. Let's try again. You got it? Where does the leg go? Not here. Try again. Marvelous. Last is the tail. It's easy. Yay! You did it. What animal is up next? It's a hen. Wow, what happened? The hen pieces are not on their right places. Help me fix it. Starting with the head. Don't worry, we'll get it. You see? Told you? Great job. Next is the body. Keep going. That's the perfect spot. Where does the tail go? Yay! Got it on the first try. Next are the feet. That looks just right. Good job. The hen is all done. Next is the rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Wow, the rabbit disappeared. All the rabbit pieces are floating around. Can you help me find where the rabbit head goes? Awesome fit. Next, let's find where the body goes. You got it right again. What is the right spot for that puzzle piece? Perfect. Let's find the spot for that last puzzle piece. Yay, you did it! The rabbit is ready. A duck is coming our way. Puff, and it's gone? The puzzle pieces are in the wrong places. Where does the head fit? Not here? Try again. Great job, farm friend. Where is the right spot for that part? Way to go, Puzzle Pro. Next is the neck. No, not there. You got it? Where should the last piece go? Awesome fit. The duck is all done. Look, a dog is coming our way. Oh, where did the dog go? Can you help me find the right places for the puzzle pieces? Is this the spot for the head? That's where it belongs. Next, we should find the right spot for the body. Perfect match. Next is the leg. Almost, but not there. That's it. Is this where the leg goes? Let's try again. Yay, that's the right spot. Where this part goes. No, try again. Good job. We should find where does this leg go. Marvelous. And last is the tail. It's easy. Way to go, Puzzle Pro. Good job, farm friend. Here comes the sheep again. Oh, the sheep lost its head. Let's find it. Is it gonna fit? Let's find out. Try again. Should we try the dog head? No, not a match. Will this one be right? Don't give up. This next head is on a mission. So close. Will this be the one? Don't worry, I have a good feeling for the next one. Will it fit? Snap! Click perfect picture. You did it? New challenger trotting in who? Could it be? Oh no, the head disappeared. Can you help find the cow's head? Could it be this one? No, this was a rabbit. Not again. The cow does not need a dog's head. Try again? Try again. This cow needs a different smile. Headache. Let's give that one back. Whoa, that's the goat's hairdo doesn't fit here. We have only one left. And it's the perfect one. Listen, do you hear hooves, clucks, or oinks approaching? Throwing the heads on holiday time to retrieve it? That one's got floppy ears. Let's go for it. No, but don't give up. Will this be the one? Nope-a-doodle. Doodle? Nope. Not again. Let's try another. Keep going. There are not much left. No luck on that one. Good news is, there is only one left. Yippee-yah. Our buddies all together again. Incoming animal alert. Get your matching eyes ready. And whoosh, goodbye, head. Fluffy top, wide smile. Let's test this. Don't give up. Let's try the next one. Not again. This one's got goat vibes. Let's try it. No, not a match. Try again. No luck there. I have a good feeling about this one. Ta-da! The barn door burst with applause. The headhunt continues. New body spotted. Puff. There goes the head. Where should we start? Let's try it. No luck here. Keep trying. Not a match. Would the next one match? Not again. Will this be the one? Not right. Do not give up. Try the next one. Not again. Good news is there is only one left to try. Good job. Another barn buddy drifts into view. Let's help them out. Zap. The head just popped off. Let's fetch it back. How about this snouty face? Looks promising. But no luck this time. We are not giving up. Not again. Let's check out this one next. Don't give up. We will find the right match. Not this time. Will this one match? No, but good news, only one left to try. Puzzle complete. Give yourself a high hoof. Roll out the hay carpet. The next star is arriving. Drift off detected. Somebody lost their thinker. Let's find the perfect match. Not that one. Keep trying. Number. Will this be the one? Nope. This is a hen, not a sheep. No, not a dog either. Let's try the next one. Not again, but good news, there's only one left to try. Good job. Perfect match. Ready or not, the next farm friend hops in for a fit. Nah, no more noggin. Let's go head hunting. Will that be a match? No, maybe next time. Don't stop trying. Not the right one. So, up to the next one? Don't give up. We will find it. Let's see if the next head is a match. Nope, but there is just one left to try. Let's check it out. Spottin'. Now that's one happy animal. Another barn buddy drifts into view. Poof! The head just did a magic vanishing act. Can you help the duck find its head? Number? Let's keep looking. Not a match. But there is another animal head. No, this is not a sheep. It's not a dog either. Keep trying. Not a pig. But good news, there is only one left to try. Hooray! The head fits like a glove. Farmtastic. Clear the barn fresh face on the way. Heads up poor, rather, heads away. Help the dog find its head. Not a match, but don't give up. No, this is not a goat. Try the next one. Not a sheep either. Is this a match? No, let's try the next one. Will that be the one? No, but there is just one left to try. Mission accomplished. We matched all the farm animal heads. But now, let's play another fun game. Can you guess which animals live on the farm? Look at this graceful animal, it's a deer. Deers live in the forest. They love to run and hide. Which of these animals lives on the farm? Is it the squirrel? Not usually. Squirrels live in the trees of the forest or even in parks. Which animal says hello from the farm? Does a bear live on the farm? No way. Bears live in the forest, not the barn. Can you spot the farm friend? Does a fox live on the farm? Not really. Foxes live in the forest or in the fields nearby. Only one of these animals lives on the farm. Can you find it? Does a hen live on the farm? Yes. Hens are farm animals. Time to guess again. Who's a true farmyard buddy? Look at those stripes. It's a tiger. Tigers live in the jungle or deep forests. Time to choose farm animal or wild animal. Does a rhino live on the farm? Nope. Rhinos live in the jungle or savanna. Let's play Farmer Who Would You Take Care Of? Look at this silly jumper. It's a monkey. Does a monkey live on the farm? No. Monkeys love to swing through the jungle. Let's see who munches hay on the farm. Does a jaguar live on the farm? Not at all. Jaguars live in the wild, like the jungle. Which one goes moo on the farm? Moo! That big mooer is a cow. Cows are classic farm animals. Can you pick the farm animal out of this bunch? Ribbit! Ribbit! Who's hopping along? It's a frog! Frogs like to live near the pond or in the wetlands. Which one of these calls the farm home sweet home? Stomp, stomp. That's a big one. It's an elephant. They live in the jungle or the savanna. Which animal has a cozy home on the farm? Look at those sharp eyes. It's a wolf. Does a wolf live on the farm? No, wolves live in the forest. Let's look closely who's part of the farm crew. Whoa, look at that long neck. It's a giraffe. Does a giraffe live on the farm? No, giraffes live in the savanna, where they stretch high to nibble leaves from tall trees. Can you pick the farm animal? Oink, oink. Pigs live on the farm.